Veteran Congress MLA Shavanur Shivashankarappa has publicly expressed discontent with his own party during the ongoing Lok Sabha elections. The former minister has not only criticized the Congress but also extended his support to the Bharatiya Janata Party, as revealed in the letters addressed to both BJP National President JP Nadda and All India Congress Committee President Mallikarjun Kharge. In these letters, Shivashankarappa has raised concerns about the treatment of the Veerashaiva Lingayat community within the Congress. He indirectly pointed fingers at his own party, highlighting what he perceives as the neglect of this influential community. Interestingly, he commended the BJP for supposedly giving importance to Lingayat, sparking a debate on caste dynamics in Karnataka politics. Shivashankarappa's moves adds complexity to the political narrative, as the Congress MLA, also serving as the national president of the All India Veerashaiva Lingayat Mahasabha, positions himself as a vocal advocate for the Veerashaiva Lingayat community. Simultaneously, Shivashankarappa's discontent is detailed in a letter addressed to Mallikarjun Kharge, where he emphasizes the historical support of Veerashaivas and Lingayats for the Congress party. He points out the vital role played by the community leaders like Nijalingappa, B.D. Jatti, S.R. Kanti and Virendra Patil in the party's historical stronghold within the community, expressing concern over the alleged marginalization of Veerashaiva Lingayat leadership at both national and state levels. Shivashankarappa urges the Congress leadership to rectify the situation by providing leadership roles to the community. He believes this step would contribute to the resurgence of the Congress party.
Mr. Shavanur Shivashankarappa is a 94-year-old senior leader. So in that age, they don't understand and they don't judge what they are talking, what is happening. I feel all those people who are aged now should retire from public life and be happy in their families. This is what I can say about Mr.
His son is also a cabinet minister.
He is a young man, he is in the cabinet. Let him work. Mr. Shavanur's son is a young man. But Mr. Shavanur has become too old to be in public life. They should retirement and rest in this thing. They don't understand what's happening around. So at that advanced stage, what do we expect from Mr. Shavanur? And how do I rebut him? He is a senior most leader, very old man. I don't want to hurt an old man. But he should retire from politics.
They can ask, because he is one of the most senior-most leader in our party, and apart from that, he is the tallest leader in Karnataka. So if he is pressurizing for get more tickets for Lingayat.
He mentioned that BJP has given lots of opportunity but not Congress.
I don't know what he has told, in what context he has told. But as far as the Congress is concerned, we always balance every community. It is not only Lingayat, it's not only Ukkaliga, we always, even micro minorities also is taken care always by Congress. That's the ideology basically. If you see the inception, if you see the statistics, we see to the almost every party, every community has been given a representation. That's how we deal in our, that's our ideology.
So I am a member, I am General Secretary, Secretary General, All India Veerashaiva Lingayat Mahasabha. I have not yet spoken to Shavanur sir, but his intention, you have to understand the intention. His intention as a congressman is to strengthen the Congress party, and Lingayats are secular people. They have supported the Congress party in the last assembly elections, and we have to maintain the support and all other things, and they also should be taken into confidence. That is his motive, main issue, nothing else.
As the Rajya Sabha elections approach, Shivashankarappa formally requests the allocation of one seat to the Veerashaiva Lingayat community out of the 3 seats available at the Congress party. Additionally, he calls on the Congress leadership to prioritize the community's representation in the Lok Sabha elections based on its population. The letters have ignited discussions about the delicate interplay of caste equations within the political landscape, raising questions about the unity and strategy of the Congress party. Shivashankarappa's political maneuvering is now at the forefront, with his public expression of discontent and simultaneous appeals for community representation shaping the ongoing political narrative.